Baratza Vario introduces programmable timed dosing to coffee aficionados at home. With a simple digital display and a full range of stepped grind adjustment, brewing with and repeating different methods and doses couldn't be any easier. Hey, Chris here with Prima Coffee Equipment. Today we're taking a look at Baratza's Vario. Let's take a look. The Vario is a great grinder for home or light commercial use and for a full range of different applications. It has the classic Baratza look, as well as the classic simplicity and the really just approachable performance. It's very, very, very strong. So let's take a look at the interface here and see what it's all about. We have 10 macro adjustments here. If you remember, like the Preciso, you have macro and micro. So these are big steps in between each number, 1 all the way up to 10, fine to coarse. On the other end here, we have micro adjustments. This is A through W. So these are really small steps in between each setting that are great for dialing in. On the screen here, it's going to show us the grind time. One of the things that the Vario can do, unlike the other Baratza grinders, is actually dose by time, and you can choose the time. So if I go to setting 1 here, I have a 10-second grind time. 2 is set at 20.1, 3 is at 30. You can adjust each of those with the arrows right here and hold the numbers again to save it. You can also do a manual setting. Manual means that it'll simply start and stop when you press start and stop. Just like that. Let's also take a look at the inside. Like the rest, the Vario is very easy to take apart, twist off the hopper, and we're looking at the burrs right there. Now this is different from the other grinders because it has flat burrs. In here right now we have flat ceramic burrs that are about 54 millimeters. Those are removed pretty simply, but you do need this tool, which is included. So use the included tool just to twist those out if you need to do any cleaning or maintenance or anything. Now, the Vario can also be used with steel burrs. Baratza sells replacement burrs for these. The steel is actually optimized for manual brew coffee. The ceramic here comes standard for most grinders, and it's preferred for espresso. So if you're using this as an espresso grinder at your home or a small cafe, the standard ceramic burrs are fantastic. If you would prefer to use something, use a grinder for manual brewing, pour over, French press, something like that, we recommend the steel burrs instead. Now this full range of grind setting makes it so that you can pretty easily switch between different methods. So espresso, easy to move everything up to fine. If you want to go more for V60, stick somewhere in the middle and dial in with fine adjustments here. Now if you are using for espresso, you see that there's this nice portafilter fork. This pops in and out really easily. That's what place to rest the portafilter while the grinder doses take a time. There's also the ground spin, which comes with it as an option. Both the ground spin here and the hopper up top hold about half a pound. So lots of room, really practical and forgiving capacity for whatever you might need it for. So this is the Vario. It's the next step up in Baratza's lineup of home and light commercial grinders. We strongly recommend it for manual brew, for espresso, whatever you can throw at it, it'll probably handle. It's a very solid piece of equipment. Thanks for watching.